This is Duckling, my BMW F700GS, and yes, she's named Duckling because she's not the most beautiful right now, but one day she will be. We're gonna try and make her look better. I have this LED headlight. It should be just plug and play, pop it right in there. Hopefully it'll update the looks a little bit and have less of this face going on. Let's see. So the first thing we're gonna do is just take out a T45 and just loosen that off. And for the back, there's just one thing to unplug. Yeah, pinch and squeeze off. That's it. Maybe before we spend any more time on this, we should just plug it in and make sure that everything does in fact work correctly. Okay, all right, cool. As far as weight comparisons go, they kind of feel about the same. This one just seems better balanced because it's way bigger. You'll notice the little cooling grills in the back here. I did notice there were special washers for these. I'm gonna run inside and go get them. It comes with these sticker things. The thing is that the adhesive is basically garbage. That's not sticking at all. Okay, so this is pretty useless. This adhesive is terrible. So I'm probably gonna put like my own glue on the back and then just glue it in place. Good job, China. Okay, so now they are lined up in place. Okay, all right, cool. You may also want to put Loctite. I'm just gonna see if it all lines up first. Okay, ready? Not gonna lie, that looks pretty cool. I actually it's still ugly, don't get me wrong. It's still living up to the name Duckling, but this looks pretty badass. I kind of really like it. Running light, I think looks really slick. Honestly, I think it looks really cool. I think I spent about maybe 180 bucks US, about 220 Canadian on this, and actually I like it. I'm gonna test it on the street and let you know. But to me, this is fantastic. Okay, so in the past, when I've done a headlight video, I just did like a riding around, and I don't think that the GoPro really captured a good comparison of before versus after. So I'm gonna try something different, keep the camera on the tripod, keep the camera lens settings and all that in manual mode, so it shouldn't be changing. I'm gonna show you what the original headlight looked like, and then I'm gonna show you how the driveway looks like with the new LED headlight. So for me, this is a win. Not only is it gonna draw a little bit less power theoretically because it's LED, it is brighter, although this did remind me that the original headlight is actually not that bad. But the third thing is, visually, aesthetically, I know this is very subjective, I like the look of this a lot better than the OEM headlight. So for me, the couple $100 that I spent to get a little bit better lighting, but also to really appreciate the look of my motorcycle more is worth it. But that is, again, subjective. So let me know what you guys thought in the comments. If you think that you like the original one better, if you like this better, if it's worth the money, if it's not worth the money. Very curious to hear what you guys have to say. Thank you so much for watching. Hit subscribe for more F700GS, F800GS content and other just general motorcycle content where we try and learn stuff and figure stuff out. Thank you. Bye. Ride safe. Peace. Okay, you guys want to know what my real favorite part of a video is? Whenever I'm in the garage, she waits by the door for me. You're such a sweetheart. She's the best.